A volcano is not just a mountain, it's a pressure system waiting to release Earth's inner energy. Deep beneath the surface, molten rock called magma builds up inside chambers under extreme heat and pressure. When that pressure becomes too strong, the Earth cracks open, and the magma erupts as lava, ash, and gases. Some volcanic eruptions are slow and steady, while others are explosive enough to change the climate of the planet for years. There are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth today, but most are hidden beneath the ocean. Even though volcanoes can destroy cities, they also create new land, fertile soil, and even islands. So a volcano is not just destruction, it is Earth building itself again.